How to redeem points on Scout. Our guys question is to redeem points on Scout application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To redeem your points, first of all, open Scout app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now tap on your profile icon, which is usually located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile icon. After you click on profile icon, browse through the available options to redeem your points. Tap on points. After you click on points, select the reward you want. Tap redeem and confirm your choice. Your points will be deducted and reward will be applied immediately. However, I have 0 points right now, so I cannot do anything. If you do have, then select the reward that you want. As soon as you select the reward, your award or points will be deducted immediately. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna redeem points on Scout application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.